This is the best thing that's happened to typing since electricity. The IBM SELECTRIC typewriter. Instead of type bars, there's an ingenious printing element that dances across the paper at incredible speed, faster even than the eye can see. Now watch in slow motion as it turns, tilts, and prints. This tiny printing element is also interchangeable. Simply remove one type style, choose another from several distinctive typefaces, and click it into place. Takes only 5 seconds, and you're ready to start typing again. Someday all typewriters will work like the IBM SELECTRIC. But why wait?